Alright, today we're going to change the oil on a Kubota SVL97-2 skid steer.
Babe, you know how I know you're a bad girl? Use impacts with chrome sockets.
Babe. Alright. Now that we have that, it should just slide. See this roller right here? It should just slide. Out. Roller on each side. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she's rolling. Then you should be able to see the oil filter. Oil filter right here through the cracks. Now that I figured out how to lean it all the way back, you just pull it all the way here and it should just lean with this. Then you'll find, that's all it goes there. Then you'll find your oil filter. See that blue? Okay, you're gonna take this panel off here to access the drain plug. You're gonna use an 11/16. Obviously the owner has never maintenance this. Kept it clean. There's 4 of them. Oh my God.
Number 1 rule about working on dirty shit. You're supposed to wear your glasses in the shop. Ain't that right, babe?
Yep. Guess what? I just ate half of that. Ouch. Okay, then you're gonna find that the plug is right here. You want to loosen this drain plug using a 7/8 socket, and it should come out. Hopefully I can hit the hole. And oh, almost shot me in the eye.
Hey, babe. Did you learn something today?
I did. Always make sure your drain pan has enough room in it for the oil that's in the machine.
Wah, wah, wah.
Shut up. Always have a hot man double checking your work. What? How much oil does that take?
11 gallons.
11.
11 liters and 2.9 gallons.
Okay, I had to tape up the rubber spacer in here because it vibrated apart, and you don't want this to wear through on the radiator hose. Now you want to push in your radiator, make sure all the holes are lined up, Put the bolts in with your fingers. After they go all the way in, then you use your impact. Okay, we're gonna tighten up these bolts. In here. Then we're gonna check the pressure, turn it off, and then check the oil. Good to go. Alright, babe, start it up.
Pressured up.
Now let's check that oil level. Right where it needs to be. All right, make sure you like and share on our YouTube page.
Stay tuned for more.